Black holes, the ultimate cosmic mystery. Right now, as you listen to my voice, there are monsters lurking in the darkness of space. Invisible predators so powerful they can trap light itself. They're called black holes. And if you fell into one, well, let me tell you exactly what would happen to you. But first, I need to shatter everything you thought you knew about reality itself. Imagine space and time not as fixed, unchanging things, but as a flexible fabric that can be twisted, warped, and even torn apart. This isn't science fiction. This is the universe we actually live in. When you place massive objects like stars and planets on this cosmic stage, they create dents and curves in the very structure of reality. We call this gravity, but it's so much more terrifying than that simple word suggests. Because black holes don't just bend this fabric, they rip holes straight through it. They are cosmic trapdoors with a danger no return sign written in the language of physics itself. Most are born from the violent death screams of massive stars, collapsing under their own weight with such incredible force that they squeeze the mass of our entire sun into a space smaller than a city. The fabric of the universe literally tears. Here's what's truly mind-bending. You can't actually see a black hole. Look directly at one, and you'll see nothing. Just empty space. But there's an invisible boundary around it called the event horizon. Cross this line, and you vanish from our universe forever. Not metaphorically, literally forever. The black hole warps space so violently that not even light, the fastest thing in existence, can climb back out. But we know they're there because of the cosmic violence surrounding them. Picture this: blazing disks of gas spinning at nearly the speed of light, heated to billions of degrees by pure friction. These accretion disks shine brighter than entire galaxies, like cosmic lighthouses marking the presence of these invisible monsters. Now let me tell you what would happen if you somehow found yourself approaching one of these cosmic nightmares. First, reality starts getting weird. The black hole's gravity is so intense that light itself gets trapped in orbits around it. You would literally see your own reflection, light from the back of your head, bending around the black hole and entering your eyes. You'd be staring at yourself in the most horrifying mirror in the universe. But that's just the beginning. Time itself starts breaking down. While you feel completely normal, anyone watching you from a safe distance would see you moving in slow motion, like a movie playing at the wrong speed. If you somehow escaped, you'd discover that millions of years had passed, while you experienced only minutes. But here's the truly terrifying part. You probably wouldn't escape, because the black hole would literally stretch you to death in a process scientists actually call spaghettification. Your feet, being closer to the black hole, would be pulled thousands of times harder than your head. You'd be stretched like taffy until your body tears apart, atom by atom. As you cross the event horizon, you'd fade from view like a ghost, disappearing into another dimension. But from your perspective, you'd just keep falling into deeper and deeper darkness, toward something called the singularity, a point where all the black hole's mass is compressed into infinite density. It's a place where the laws of physics break down completely. Everything that falls in, every atom, every piece of information, every story, is lost forever. The black hole only remembers three things about you: your mass, how fast you were spinning, and your electric charge. Everything else that made you you disappears from reality. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. Over unimaginable periods of time, these cosmic monsters actually evaporate. They slowly leak particles back into space through a process called Hawking radiation. But slowly doesn't begin to describe it. A black hole the size of our sun would take 10 followed by 67 zeros years to disappear. The largest black holes would outlive our universe by time scales so vast that our brains simply cannot comprehend them. The truth is, black holes remain the universe's greatest mystery. We don't know what really happens at their core. We don't understand what becomes of all that lost information. And perhaps most unsettling of all, we don't know what other cosmic, Monsters might be lurking in the darkness, waiting to rewrite everything we think we know about reality. These invisible predators are out there right now, warping space and time, challenging everything we believe about existence itself. And the most incredible part? We've only just begun to understand them. The universe's most terrifying secrets are still waiting to be discovered.